So do you have access to this?
Yes, I do have access.
Okay, here,
Yeah.
did you get chance to one minute?
Okay.
Okay, you have this URL, right?
Yes. Okay.
Did you go to
Yeah, I
GX
went to
data?
JX data quality.
Okay. Here, if you see, you'll find three tables.
Okay.
Also, if you scroll down, let's check the low water link. Okay, here if you see,
Okay.
there is source table. Okay,
Yeah.
GX source table,
Source table.
and if you see here, insert into values. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, okay, you have to do similar thing for this job in CDO platform framework as well.
Okay.
Okay, so in the original SQL, in the original job SQL here,
Okay.
what do we have? What is the query? We add it here somewhere. Okay, so this is a file, right? So
Yeah.
if you do head on this file, you will get content of this file.
Yes.
Okay, so this is a very big query, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we cannot recreate this in we cannot recreate this in CDO platform. Okay.
Okay.
So will you be able to check for another job
Okay.
where it has a SQL with a small data?
Okay. Yeah.
That way we can use the same query
Okay.
and create whatever table. Like if they are creating table or doing inserts here,
Okay.
whatever SQL they are doing here,
Okay.
we will have to do the same SQL in
Okay.
CDO platform framework also. Okay.
Okay.
So that will be the first step, Snowflake curation, and
So
then
first
GX
we
data
need to pick the job which has the small, I mean,
SQL,
yeah,
like
small
simple SQL, like
simple
yeah.
SQL rather than this type of SQL.
Yes, yes. So how will you identify it? Like just
Yeah.
picking the file and trial and
Just
error.
giving the head.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. And then, so coming to GX data quality audit, right? So
Mm-hmm.
uh, here, from CDO. Okay, let me GX data. Yeah, okay. If you see here, right?
Okay.
So this is one of the campaign jobs, I guess. Okay,
Okay.
let me ping. Maybe this is the one. Let me ping this one also for you.
Okay.
Okay. So here, if you see, select star from this.
Yeah.
So where data asset ID in 80 and 81. Where did I get this from? So 80 and 81 is like if you go to this job, okay, and check the JSON,
Okay.
you will find 80 and 81. Like how you are seeing 47, 48,
47.
you will
Yeah.
find
80
yeah.
and 81. Okay.
80 and 81. And how I am checking in campaign stages, because this job will be here, it will be campaign in the JSON.
Okay.
App ID will be campaign and source ID will be this one. This
Okay.
is the source ID.
Okay.
Okay. So that's why I'm checking in campaign stage. Okay.
Okay.
Now your job, the job you picked was Fin Analytics, field services,
Field
right?
services. Yes.
So if you want to check for this, it will be in field services dot stage dot gx source table. Okay.
Okay.
Select star from field services dot stage dot gx source table where data asset ID in whatever this job
47.
has.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, it will give you details related to that. Okay.
Okay.
Now let's check what do we have in this campaign job.
Okay.
Okay, if I open this for 80 and 81, okay, data asset is campaign stage profile dim, and here they have some query here.
Yeah.
Okay, and if you see, this is the source table. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, what it does is, so we have data asset type also, table or query.
Table or query.
So basically, this task is to do some validations. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So we are running Snowflake curation first here. So okay, first task is Snowflake curation, right?
Yeah.
Okay. We are doing some operations in the Snowflake table. Okay.
Yeah.
Once that operation is done, we are also validating the data what it has done. Okay. So for that we are using this GX data quality audit. Okay. And how we are validating is, so this GX data quality audit follows 3 tables. One is source table, rules table, and results table. Okay. In the source table, we will have to mention what all checks, like whatever validations we want to do, we have to mention that in the source table.
Okay.
Okay. For example, for this job, for 80, okay, we have given data as table name. Okay. Campaign stage. Maybe this source ID, this job is loading some table, some data or something here. Okay. In this table. Okay. And data asset type is table. Okay. So our validation can be on table level, or if you want to do some query, it will be query level.
Okay.
Okay. So let's see. Okay, if you see comments, cost profile dim, distinct count. Okay, this query should give distinct count, it seems. Okay, and if you check the rules table, if you check the rules table for 80 and 81, okay, for 80, on the table, they are checking so many rules. Okay. Okay, so 80 is table, 81 is query, right?
Yeah.
So for on 80 table, so this is expect compound column to be unique. Okay. So these 2 columns should be unique. Okay. Whatever data that they are loading into that stage table, which we saw in this source GX source table, we saw table, right? One table for 80.
Yeah.
So on the table, it is checking for these columns, and it has to be unique, it seems. Okay, this is one condition.
Yeah.
Okay, another is expect column value length to be between. Okay, for this column cusp profile key, the value should be only 10 and 15. If the value is anywhere outside, it will throw an error. Okay. So basically, you see here also duplicate check, length check. This is also length check. And this one, expect column values to not be null. So this column should not be null. Okay. These are some of the validations. And for the query, so expect column pair value to be equal. Okay. So I think whatever the query that we gave in source table, it will give 2 columns. Okay. Column A is stage count, column B is target count. So those 2 counts should be same. So it is checking in the 81, column 81. Okay, distinct count. Okay. If basically in the behind, when this task is called,
Okay.
it will basically get all the source details from this table and rules from
Rules
here
table,
and perform all the operations. And once everything is successful, it will place the results in this table, like if it is succeeded or not,
Yeah.
it will put it in this table. Okay. So now, when you are testing, okay. So if you see here, we have 80 and 81, but your job, you give like so many, right?
Yeah.
So you don't have to test this many. You can just test two. You can remove two and
Remove
test.
two.
Okay.
Okay.
And which two you want to test, you can. So here, I mean,
So I have to go there and check what I can.
yes. So basically, you need information about this table. Okay. Okay. Let's check what this table has. Maybe I don't have access, I guess. Okay. Yeah. So I mean, these tables, you will have to insert data into the source and rules table.
Okay.
We have to insert data. So that's why if you check in here, if you check in this rep here, so create table. Okay. For CDO platform, we already have GX source table. Okay. So you can refer to that also. Like if you want. Okay. CDO platform. Right. So if you check CDO platform, we have that table with some data. Okay. Maybe you can pick those jobs and see if those jobs have Snowflake curation. And so if you see S3 test path, watermark, CDO platform stage watermark, and data set ID is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you will be responsible to insert data into this table. Okay, so that's what they are doing here. See, source table. So data set ID 1. Data set is a query type. Select star from retention marketing. It's a query type. And you can also mention comments. So here he mentioned empty comments and current timestamp. Similarly, it can be table also. The asset type can be table also, query or table. Okay, and after this, you have to insert in rules table also. Okay, I think that one you did not show an example here. Maybe we can update this one also, this document also later. Okay. But yeah, so you will be responsible to load the insert these tables for whatever asset IDs you are checking, you are validating. Yeah. Okay, and SQL, make sure. See, it's all up to you. You don't have to refer to any job also. Okay. In this Snowflake curation, so you have this SQL, right? Yeah. Okay, so I asked you to check some sample. I asked you to check some sample job and which has small SQL, right? Small SQL. So instead of that, what you can do, you can also take any sample table in CDO platform table, CDO platform framework. Okay, here. Yeah. Okay, here this one, right? Yeah. CDO platform framework. Okay, I have stage. Okay. You can tables. Okay. I mean raw. So there are like many tables, right? Yeah. You can just query on one table. Okay. Show more. Query history or regex. Okay. Okay, dummy test RM. I don't know what this is. Let's see. Okay. Select star from. Okay. Okay, I think this one might be good. Okay, here you see, right? There are some spot messages. Mhm. Okay, web form table, web form hierarchy. Okay, yeah, you can take this table. Okay.
Okay.
And you see here column C1, C2 like this, right?
Yeah.
What you can do, you don't have to take all columns also. Okay. Phone hierarchy, let's check this one because the column names are not good, right? So we will give some place name in editor. Okay, this one has IDs, right?
Yeah.
IDs, all this. Okay, you can take this table as
Okay.
example. Okay, what you can do here in this query, here
Okay.
you have this query, right? Source ID.SQL. Here, what you can do, so we will delete this one.
Okay.
You can just do Control C, Control F, Control V. So this will be your file, right? App ID, source ID, source ID is equal. Source ID is this one.
Okay.
App ID, source ID, source ID dot SQL. Here, what you can do. Okay, let's check how many. Except found. Okay, and I think this count is good.
Yeah.
So what you can do, you can just do select star from this table.
Okay.
Okay, your query will be this. Okay. And so this snowflake curation will not. Okay, you can do like this: create or replace create a replace table. Okay. SL data quality audit, right?
In GX data quality.
Okay, you can give as it is.
Okay.
Create or create a replace table
Mm-hmm.
as select star from this table. Okay.
Okay.
So what you are doing here is you are creating this table here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Next task is whatever quality audits you do.
Okay.
Now you do on your table. Okay. SLGX
DX
data quality. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah, take this example. Okay. Here,
Okay.
what you can do, you have to create source. You use GX source table, right? You have to
Yeah.
insert into GX source table. You have to insert into GX rules table.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Create insert statements and do that. And for example, what you can do, you can check here department ID is null, right? You can
Yeah.
check one rule is department ID is null.
Okay.
Another rule is something like that. No email. Okay. Check for empty emails.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. You randomly give like define one or two rules accordingly.
Okay.
And then pass that data asset ID here and run the job.
Okay.
Okay, and once if the job succeeds, you can validate those three like results table. We have results table, right? You can here. Okay, let me ping you these three. Okay. You're good, right?
Yeah. Yeah. I'm good.
Okay. Yeah. Try to create that and let me know if you have any
Yeah. Sure.
issues or errors. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.